For those that don't know, new to the channel, or seen this advert, this is Patch, my 1967 Morris Minor, which unfortunately for me is now for sale. I know, shock to everyone who's followed my channel for years and seen Patch on the channel. The time has come to move him on to a new owner. So unfortunately this is now a for sale video. Yeah, like I said, it's 1967, 1100. If you want to see what I've done, look back through my videos. There's lots and lots of things we've done to Patch, including fitting these very patched seats. These are out of a Vauxhall Nova. Rear ones are original, as you can see. I'm including the handbook, and years and years ago, I'll tag it up here, I did a video with the 2 boxes of spares that came with Patch. They are also included in the sale. What else have we done? So we fitted the seats. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Oh yeah, these gauges were a popular video. They work with the lights, so see battery voltage, coolant temp, which is in the coolant temp sensor is in the wrong place. It's taken off the lower radiator hose because that was the easiest place for me to fit it. So normal running is about sort of, well, in the cold on the gauge, but that just needs the sensor moving to the thermostat housing. And then you've got oil pressure. If I find my keys, I have had him running because he has been sat for a while, and he still starts fine with no choke. There we go. So oil pressure is, you know, about normal for, is that about 1? Yeah, that's about normal for warm. He's got some fuel. Washers, again, I've not used this for a while, so we're priming, there we go, that's better. So the washers work, as do the wipers. Let's have a walk round. Rear lights are LED. This wing you'll see is scratched. Again, I'll link a previous video. Came off in a storm. It is bolted on. It's not as tight as I'd like it, so the new owner might want to do something with that. It's the LED lights. What we've got in the back, I've locked it. I think there's a spare wheel and some other bits and pieces in there. This wing is more secure. So open up the door from this side. Have a look at those seats. Again, I think there is, there's more carpet in the boot for these wheel arches and the sills, which I haven't bothered fitting yet. Glove box, the magnet's not very strong, and you can see all the wiring and stuff in there because there's no glove boxes in the glove box. Does that make sense? Doors need a bit of a slam. The window seals I did also replace. I don't think this was ever on a video, but all the window seals have been replaced. That was 3-4 years ago. So lights on the front, we've got our side lights, headlights out, which I was not aware of. So if I get a chance, I'll replace that. Oil pressure still good. It's charging, but it doesn't like charging as much at idle. I think if I open the bonnet, I'll explain why. Door cards were on the list of things to do. Never really got around to it, which again was a shame because I was really looking forward to putting some sound deadening in Patch and making him a bit more everyday usable. So here's our engine, alternator conversion, which is good. Hopefully you can still hear me. The bottom crank pulley is a bit wobbly, which is why the alternator is not great at charging at idle, but it does charge. I've genuinely never had a breakdown in Patch. Yeah, it's kind of all my cars, this has by far been the most reliable. What else is there? Suspension. Most recent video was suspension upgrades on Patch. He's been poly bushed all round, which made a huge difference to the ride quality. Oh yeah, also the fan works. That's blowing out nice warm air. It's surprisingly good heater for something of this era of British Leyland, shall we say. Like I said, there is so much to do still with Patch. The heater vents here, which the ducts that go up to the scuttle don't work. Well, there's no pipes there. This is the duct for the outside air. So at the moment you get fresh air when you're driving, which is actually quite nice. It's been a bit milder the last few days. That's kind of where we're at with Patch. He's a project. He's quite happy driving. I've been using him, had been using him to commute from Seaford to work, which is about 12 to 15 miles, 12 and a half, 15 miles. So yeah, he's been fine driving that. I don't think I'd want to drive him much further, if I'm honest. He does like to develop a bit of a brake bind once you drive him for any sort of distance. Oh, the speedo doesn't work. That's the other thing I was going to mention. It never has done, and because it doesn't need test driving for an MOT, it's a pass. Patch has always been MOT'd actually. His MOT has now run out. So yeah, there's a few things I know. I know he needs a small bit of welding above the exhaust hanger, which is the rear floor. The horn doesn't work again. So there are a few things he would need for an MOT. Again, if the buyer wants that done, we can discuss. Yeah, but that's kind of Patch for sale. Sad times. I do have other projects that I want to put the money into, so that's kind of the reason he's the least used. And I've got some big ideas for my midget and for the Pontiac. So yes, sad times, but like I said, it's good news for somebody else. Yeah, any questions, put them in the comments, or if you're seeing this advert on eBay, then you can send me a message on there. But thanks for watching.